The sleek and stylish Scudo S6 Sliding Door shower enclosure will transform your bathroom or ensuite, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This shower enclosure is both elegant and safe, with a polished chrome finish and transparent 6mm toughened safety glass. Its universal design enables you to choose between installing it for left or right-hand openings, giving you versatility in your bathroom setup. The smooth sliding action allows for easy access to your shower. Say goodbye to water stains and soap residue with the Aqua Shield glass treatment, which keeps your glass crystal clear and easy to clean. This enclosure is ideal for corner installation, with a 1000mm shower door and 800mm side panel, providing enough of space for a relaxing shower experience. The Scudo S6 Sliding Door would improve your daily routine. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.